wanted to vlog. I'm going to vlog whenever I feel like, because again, I am at a period of my life where I'm very busy and I don't want to stress out myself and like stop caring about my exams or my job, because YouTube is a hobby for me and I want it to stay like that. So this week I'm going to start moving into my new apartment and I'm super excited for that. I'm going to vlog and film so many stuff about moving in and finding an apartment in Germany and how to rent an apartment in Germany and stuff. So I'm super excited for that. Today is the next day and the weather is so beautiful, and I have been studying all morning long and I had my breakfast and I had 2 courses today, and the last course just finished like 10-15 minutes ago, and now I'm gonna continue studying, and then because the weather is so nice today, I am planning on going out. I want to look for some furniture and for some decoration, and I'm super excited because I found a few stuff that looks super cute and I'm super excited for them. But yeah, I'm going to keep you updated on that. And now I have to study because because I have my exams. Basically, yeah, that's it. Now I am going to study a little and then we will see each other later. Okay, this is my outfit of today, but I really have to go now, so I'm gonna show it to you outdoors. Okay, I have to multitask because I don't have much time, because today I am going to get my keys for my new apartment and I'm super excited. I have to eat breakfast, get ready, and then keep going, so that, and now I have to eat breakfast and then get ready, so like do my makeup and stuff, and then I am going to go out. I'm gonna pick the keys for my new apartment, and then I'm going to meet a friend. But I probably am going to study a little until she arrives. So yeah.
Gäste, im Bus und Tram ist gemäß dem aktuellen
So I'm finally at home. I got my keys today, and then I met with a friend of mine, and she knew a cafe that is a Greek cafe, and it is so nice. It's super cute, and we went to that place, and I loved it, and I got some nice things. Now I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna relax a little bit. I have to cook. That sucks right now. I actually love to cook, but I'm just not feeling like that. But I have to. So, anyways, I am going to cook. Maybe. Oh yeah, I know what I'm gonna do. But I have to look if I have that. Okay. Oh, maybe I can make a salad. Maybe I can make a chicken salad. That would be really nice, right? I have a salad dressing that I wanted to try out, so maybe I could use that. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, I am going to chill a little bit and then grab the camera and tell you what I am gonna do. Hello! I'm so excited for this apartment. It looks so nice and I finally can move in. I am not going to move in today because we have to clean the apartment and we have to get the furniture in, but it will take 6 weeks for the furniture to be delivered, so we have to wait and be patient. But I'm very excited.
Keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun.
Hello my loves and welcome. Today is Sunday and today I have been working. It was so crowded. It was so busy, and normally we work like 4 to 5 people on a Sunday, like on the weekends. But today we were just working with 3 people. We were 3 people at work. So it was so busy and I am super tired. I actually felt like I felt so tired. I fall asleep in on the train. Is it called train? I don't know. But once I started vlogging, like right now, like 1 minute ago, yeah, I started feeling better. So yeah, it's great because I have to study a lot. I have my exams. Next week I have 2 exams. And the week after I have 2 essays and 1 exam. So I have to study a lot. I studied yesterday night until 4 a.m. and then I slept and then I woke up at 7:30 a.m. Yeah, I had some breakfast and then I had to go to work. I started working at 8:30, which is actually great because it's Sunday and on Sundays we open like 2 hours later, yeah, than usual. And yeah, so now I think that I'm gonna call my parents and then call my my husband, sorry, and then talk with them a little and just prepare myself some food. And I also have to tidy up because I had to rush in the morning, so it looks super messy behind me, so I'm not gonna show you that. So, and then I am going to eat my food and study. I am so happy in I am so grateful, you know, like I'm a very joyful person. So, I get excited about everything and I am like, usually I'm very satisfied and happy with everything. So, that's great. And in the last couple of days, like in the last couple of months I started meditating, and before meditating I really had the worst anxiety attacks of my life. I don't know, like I'm not saying that I have the worst of every human being in the world, but for myself, like I have to say it was really bad. But after I started meditating, it affected me in a good way, and now I feel like I'm not having anxiety as much as I had before. And of course there are days where I'm feeling like super anxious and I'm like so stressed. But even today, like today is a quite a stressful day for me, because like this period is a quite stressful period for me, but I still kind of enjoy it and I think it's great. So yeah, and today I also shared a video of our civil ceremony on YouTube, and it is so beautiful. I got it yesterday night and it is so beautiful. I am so happy and so grateful. Yeah.